Hey beautiful people, this is Pearl Hong, and ang tanong ngayon, ano yung mga pagdadaanan mo for you to be able to be successful in life? Wow, what a nice question. And definitely, kaya ka nanood nito is because you want to be successful as well. So I want to congratulate you for that. Para maging successful, you need to change your circle. May mga ganun talaga eh. Sabi nga nila, bakit ganun? Nag-iba na siya. Iba na yung ginagawa niya, nag-iba na yung circle niya. And as you go along, nag-iiba kasi kayo ng mga gusto. Nag-iiba rin kasi kayo ng frequency ng friends mo. Darating yung time na you talk about business, the dramas, you don't entertain it na. Other people's lives don't excite you anymore. Parang kasayang ba sa oras? Diba? Kasayang ba sa oras kung i-entertain ko pa yan? Because you want to talk about goals, success, growth, development, investments, business, how to scale up everything. Kaya darating ang point na pag nag-level up ka ng mindset, parang hindi na kayo align. So your circle will really change as you go up. And ganun talaga, kapag ikaw ay magiging successful, you need to let go of hindi mo naka-align. Another thing for you to be successful, kailangan ba ng sacrifices dyan o mahirapan muna bago maging successful? Well, you can learn from other people's lives and have mentors so that hindi mo napagdaanan yung mga pinagdaanan nila. You can learn from others. But some people who don't have humility to ask, who don't have humility to listen, ay pagdadaanan talaga nila yon. So, kung gusto mo maging successful, you really need to have the right mentor para malaman mo kung ano yung gagawin mo in your life. Because it will make your life so easy and fast. Kasi napagdaanan na nila yun eh. Learnings na yun sa'yo. Third is you need to let go the sense of time. Ilang beses na ba ako nagtrabaho para sa aking negosyo? For you to be able to be successful, I do believe na kailangan mong ma-own yung time mo in the future. Because success is nothing if you don't own your time in the future. So definitely, you will embark into this journey of being an entrepreneur. Kailangan mo talaga yan. So that's it. That's what you need to do. To do business, build a business na alam mong long-term maglalast. Fourth is you need to be aggressive in applying things while being patient in waiting the results in your life. It's both eh. You need to have speed and endurance. Hindi pwedeng speed lang tapos walang endurance. After 6 months, walang resulta sa business, ay, ayaw ko na. Diba? Ayaw ko na this. Pero ang mga negosyante talaga mag-isip, they know that the ROI is 3 to 5 years. They know that. Pero pag hindi negosyante mag-isip, ano ba yan? 6 months lang, di ba ako nag-ROI? Ganon. So, you need speed plus endurance. Ibig sabihin, long term, you're in a marathon, not a sprint. Fifth is you need to take note every single learning to your business and to yourself. What's happening to your life. Dapat sensitive ka sa change na, kailangan na ito pala ngayon. Kumbaga, mabilis ka makagets. Yun yung ibig ko sabihin. Parang pag may tinuturo sa'yo agad ang life na, ito gagawin mo, boom, you need to act upon it. Huwag ka na ay, may tinuturo. May tinuturo yung life. After 1 month, ay, may tinuturo yung life. After 1 year, siguro tinuturo sa akin ito. 2 years, tinuturo siguro. 3 years, 10 years. May tinuro pala talaga. Bago ka nag-grow 10 years na. Imagine mo kung ano yung magiging base ng life mo when you be successful. Diba? So, it's every generalization in your life. Realization na, ito pala siya. The moment na mabilis kang mag-realize ng life mo, mas mabilis kang mag-next level sa life mo. So, enjoy it. Enjoy every next level. You'll really be successful in your life. And that enjoyment will make you consistent, and your consistency will lead to developing you into that person na kailangan maging ikaw for you to be successful in your life. So enjoy your journey on being an entrepreneur and being a successful person kasi alam ko that you only live once. Deserve mo maging successful sa buhay mo. Let's do it. Have that success mindset. This is Pearl Hong sending you love and light.